Welcome, YouTube family. How are you guys doing? Today I'm gonna be showing you rain. It's raining in Brooklyn. Nice day. Little bit cold. I was having fun outside. I said, why not show it to the public? So guys, please do subscribe my channel. Share, like, comment. I respect you all. Thank you very much. By the way, guys, that's the garage repair shop. This is the Coney Island Avenue in Brooklyn. In morning, everybody is running. Not much to say. Can't show you outside. Like, I cannot go out of my car because it's cold. This is Tesla, guys. This is Tesla. I have a good news for you guys. There's no mandatory mask. It's now everywhere. You can go anywhere without mask now, except the hospitals. Yep. This is my car. Sorry, I can't get off my car, please. I'm showing you the inside view. Let's start up the car and clear the window. The front is full of rain. Now you can see better. There it is. See the bakery over there. NYPD. that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.